Food expressions add flavor to English conversations. These common idioms help you sound natural and connect with native speakers through shared cultural references. Today, we explore delicious idioms that make English fun and memorable. Piece of cake means something very easy to do. When a task feels simple, English speakers say it is a piece of cake. For example, the test was a piece of cake. This shows complete confidence in handling something effortlessly. Food for thought means an idea worth careful consideration. When someone shares something interesting to think about, we call it food for thought. For example, that is some food for thought. It suggests the idea needs serious reflection. Butter someone up means to flatter someone to gain favor. This idiom describes excessive praise to get something in return. People butter someone up when they want a favor or special treatment through compliments. The apple of one's eye means someone very precious or loved. This describes a person adored above all others. For example, her son is the apple of her eye. It shows deep special affection for that person. Egg on your face means to look foolish or embarrassed. This happens after making a public mistake. When someone fails obviously, they have egg on their face. It describes visible embarrassment from error. In a pickle means in a difficult situation. This describes a tricky or troublesome problem. For example, I am in a pickle with this deadline. It shows being stuck in challenging circumstances. You now know 8 powerful food expressions. Practice these idioms in daily conversations to sound natural. Native speakers love when you use food expressions. Speak English like a native with these delicious idioms.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.